kwentuhan kasama mga top esports personalities.
Game na ba? Ready to play with us!
I'm your certified kabayas, man of esports, community at your service, Manjit Faldas.
And I am Patsy Reyes, gamer, streamer, and big esports lover.
This is One Hit Na Lang!
Kung ikaw yung hindi kinakabahan sa last round.
Yung tipong buhay pa ang chance, basta buhay pa ang bar, pwede kang sumali dito. One hit na lang! Yun na pala yun! What's up, mga one-hitters? Ako ang inyong esports kabayas na si Manjin Faldas, ang hype supplier nyo sa mic. Ready na magkwento sa mga ganap ngayong esports scene.
Kung sino man yung kausap mo, kung paano ka de-describe, I love it.
Oo nga sino ba yun?
Kada episode, iba ng iba.
Mga nagsusulat nitong mga...
Diba?
Ikaw din pa, iba-iba rin yun sa'yo eh.
At ako naman si Patsy Reyes, Combo Queen sa usapang esports at buhay. Combo Queen. Oo. That pala tinitake down notes ko yung mga kung paano ko dinedescribe dito ni Derek, no? Samahan niyo naman kami ngayon sa isang chill na behind the scenes kwentuhan with the biggest names sa Pinoy esports.
Kaya para lagi kayong updated sa mga latest episodes, follow us at Arena Social PH and hit that notification bell on Spotify tsaka sa YouTube para updated kayo. At syempre makipredict na rin kayo sa mga esports game. Download Arena social app to register and play it for free.
Hoy, excited ako sa guest natin
Oo nga.
today, ha?
Ako rin.
Inunahan kita no nag-CR ka.
Oo nga, nakilala
In-interview
mo
ko na to. Talaga, alam mo naman ako, di ba?
Oo.
Minsan may ikaw yung magsasabi, anuhin muna natin. Eh, gusto mo pakilala? No!
Oo.
Kailangan ako. I will
Sabi ko
introduce
kanina,
myself.
pakilala kita sa guest. Nunahan mo ako. Oo.
Hindi ako maniniwala, chill to Manjin. Kasi hindi lang to kilala sa gaming scene. Baka napanood mo na to sa TV.
Oo.
Multi-class character talaga.
Hanggang ngayon, no? Pwede, yun pa rin ang sinasabi sa kanya na napanood na ito sa TV. Facts only yan. Isang taong kaya mag-perform sa camera, sumabak sa competition, at eto pa, Patsy, magturo ng next generation ng players.
Wala. Parang ako
Coach
siya.
din
Mana
to.
to sa akin.
Mana sa'yo. No? Coach din to. Coach din to.
Yes! Kaya welcome natin ang actor, gamer, streamer, commentator, at professional coach. Hala!
Siya na talaga.
Oo!
Siya na talaga. Ay, full name basis.
Full name!
Oh, ikaw.
Let's
Sino yan?
welcome Danel Pica Lozano. Peng, 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 peng.
Welcome.
Oh, may sariling sound effects.
Diba? Welcome, Kuya Danel.
Wow, okay. Oh, he went there. I got doxed 100%.
Welcome, Kuya Pika. Kumusta ang life? Parang ang taas ng araw.
Yes. You know how I am. You know, lagi namang may salamin, even indoors. But yes, it's a pleasure to be here. And for some reason, pangunahan ko na kaya, I'm thinking of a lot of things to answer. Kasi the interrogation started even before we started rolling, guys. So,
Ang dami
Lahat
mo na
gusto
kasing
niyo,
tanong
oo.
eh. Guys, si Pika ay isang Tekken player, Tekken coach. So, marami siyang combo sa buhay niya. Besides that, shoutcast din siya ng mga FPS. So, ang dami niya rin puro mga talented mga guests natin, no?
Oo. Kaya gusto namin sanang malaman kung paano ka ba napunta from camera lights to arcade fights at paano nagsimula ang Pika journey mo sa Tekken scene.
Ready na ba kayo? Round 1. Game time.
Game time na tayo, Pika. So, time to learn more about yung start ng naging journey mo sa gaming scene. Parang inulit ko lang din yung sinabi ko. Tama ba?
Wala, binasa mo eh.
Oo.
Talaga eh. Oo.
Okay, ulitin natin. So marami pa ang nakakakilala sa'yo ngayon. Marami ang nakakilala sa'yo ngayon sa gaming scene. Pero before that, may acting background ka rin.
Ayun
So
nga.
kailan ka nag-start pumasok sa mundo ng showbiz at paano nangyari yung shift mo from acting into gaming? But before you answer that,
Ay, nako.
Gustong-gusto na, favorite namin ito ni
Alam mo,
Wanjin yung may mga
si Patsy kasi
pa-sample-sample
mahilig sa ganito,
tayo.
kuya.
Kunyari, Pika, may scene tayo Ano bang gusto mo nga eksena? Basta
Actor ka daw kasi.
kami ni
Actor. Coach
Manjin.
Coach.
Coach ka.
Oh,
coach ka
coach.
yung parang ginawa natin kay...
Kay Coach MTV.
Oo, at saka yung kay...
AK.
Si Kaloy.
Oh, si Kaloy.
Oo, may mga acting kami dito. So, kunyari,
Kaya ako napapasabak dito sige, game.
uuwi ka ng bahay.
I
Late
cannot
ka.
run away from this anymore.
Uuwi ka ng bahay, late ka. Kami yung nanay at tatay mo, nagluto kami ng sinigang, hindi ka nakakain ng tanghalian. So, galit ako. Mag-explain ka na pag uwi mo. Basta
Wow,
galit kami,
okay.
hindi kami magsasalita.
Okay, ako chillax lang ako. Game.
Tapos na kami kumain ito, nasa hapagkainan. Ang lalim, hapagkainan.
Action!
Action!
Hindi
Disappointed.
hindi kumakain yung anak natin ng sinigang,
Hindi pa siya dumating, pauwi pa lang
Pauwi
siya.
pa lang.
Papasok pa lang
Pauwi
siya
pa
ng
lang pala,
pinto.
pauwi pa lang
Okay.
pala. Ay, nakauwi na yung anak mo. Pakainin mo na.
Darling, wag mo masyadong pansinin. Ang usapan natin, sabay-sabay tayo kakain.
Oo nga, napaka-arte
Nasasaktan
naman.
ako, darling.
Napaka-arte naman yan. Ito na siya.
Hi, Mom. Yeah, I was...
Nag-i-English yung anak mo. Saan galit? Nag-i-English yung anak mo.
Nagmumog ka ba? At napapa-English ka
Can we
dito?
like retake on Filipino maybe? Sige, let's do that again. Let's do that again.
Okay,
Same scenario.
Same scenario. Take 2. Darling,
Nadi-disappoint ako. I'm disappointed.
me too, darling.
I'm
I
disappointed.
cooked sinigang
Yes.
and it's very good.
Sinigang was very delicious, but our son is so maarte.
Where is
Here it is.
Why did they speak in English when I was going to speak Filipino?
I will not talk to him, darling.
Dad.
Magtagalog ka sa pamamahay namin.
Opo.
Oh.
May project kasi kami kanina kailangan kong tapusin. So, na-late lang talaga.
Now I will ask you to choose your family or your project. Project.
Sige po, pakisalukan na lang ako.
Yun na.
Pakisalukan. Okay, auntie, cut. Sabi niya, kung kailan nagtagalog ako, nag-English na yung nanay at
I
tatay
feel like I'm being punked, right? It's such a big prank right there.
May English Pika, for the viewers, English is your first language.
Yes, it is.
Ano yun, bata ka pa lang. Pero goods ka magtagalog.
Yes, bulol lang.
Ay, tanungin namin ng mga nagtatanong tayo, mga viewers and listeners, sabi nila, English is your first language. Why? Where did you come from?
Oo nga, bakit ba? Paano nangyari yun?
Yeah. And again, spoiler alert.
Tapos wala kang lahi.
No.
Oh.
Or
No
at
half?
least, no, nothing.
1/4?
Maybe 1/8. Maybe 1/8 or maybe even less than that. When I was young, my dad, so shout out to my dad, he raised me in a very westernized culture. So it's by choice that he wanted me to have English as my first language. I did not learn Filipino until I was 6 years old. Yes.
Ang hirap pala, no?
So nag-start talaga siya.
English talaga.
Interesting yan kasi skill ang language eh. Diba? So kapag nakakausap ko siya, alam niya, ano yung shoutcast natin? Tagalog or in English? Lagi niyang
English.
tinatanong agad. Lagi niyang natatanong agad. Pero before that, before you entered the gaming scene, you were in the entertainment scene, saan ka mas kinabahan? Sa camera or sa tournament sa stage?
That's a good question, actually. Siguro depends on the context of what I need to do. Right? If it's in entertainment, I'm more nervous in acting. Yes.
Yes.
Kaya kanina kinakabahan.
I was more nervous in acting all this time kasi I prefer genuine or like real interactions, right? Pero sa esports, mas nakakakabang mag-compete kaysa mag-commentary, kaysa mag-coach or anything like that. So siguro in general, mas nakaka-nervous pa rin sa camera.
Sa camera.
Yes. Kasi sometimes if it's live and you have no choice, you can't retake that. Most times. You cannot retake it. So, pag nagka-compete ka kasi, sometimes you can accept the fact that if you don't perform, it's just really the way it is. It's the day.
Oo.
Right? If you lose, you acknowledge that entirely. Pero pag may camera talaga, nako, lalo pag live,
Oo.
it really still makes me nervous to this day.
So camera ang nagpapakaba sa kanya. Ano yun? Darling, ano yun?
Napapaano ako eh.
Darling.
Ako curious ako kay Kuya Pika eh. Kasi may, di ba sa showbiz industry, yung mga gamers parang bilang lang sila eh. So nung nag-showbiz ka, ikaw lang yung ano doon. Gamer doon.
One of the few, yes. One of the
How was
very
it?
few.
No?
Paano mo na ipasok yung mga natutunan mo sa gaming nung nag-acting ka na or yung natutunan mo from entertainment industry to esports?
Yeah, originally, never ako natigil naman to be a gamer. Right? Even when I was still in the entertainment industry, meron pa rin akong games on the side. It just so happens that career-wise, when I was still acting, iba yung priority. Iba yung mas kailangan ko i-focus, right? So, I feel that the best way to answer that is my incorporation of personality, character. That plays a huge part nung pumasok na ako sa esports because I realized that when you enter this industry, you have to establish a character of your own. You have to have a personality or an aura of your own that people will remember.
Sa esports.
Yeah.
Kailangan may sarili kang character.
Yes.
Yes.
You need an image. Like I remember when I met Manjin before, my usual default outfit was what you see now. So it's a jacket, it's shades, a tank top inside.
Oo nga, no?
So hindi ko pa rin binago yun. Like it's still there.
Oo nga, no?
It's just basically the character that I try to establish, right? That I believe that in esports, it's not really all about playing well. It's also about
Presenting yourself.
Yes, exactly. It's exhuming a certain presence.
Ay, ganun pala.
Pero ako, interested ako sa decision ni Kuya Pika kasi you were in showbiz. I think, hindi ko maalala kung nakwento mo na sa akin to, pero ano ba nag-lead sa'yo na you were in showbiz that time. Ikaw, Patsy, showbiz ka rin eh. Pero ikaw, siguro tanong ko rin to sa'yo, bigla kang mag-esports. Paano nangyari yun? Tanong ko rin yun sa'yo.
Right.
Ipika muna.
I was very young when showbiz actually basically knocked on my doorstep. I was, I think, 15.
I have a question lang, for clarity lang, lalo-lalo na sa mga viewers natin and listeners. Ano yung mismo nga ginagawa mo sa showbiz? Kasi usually dito, ang number one requirement sa showbiz industry sa atin is kailangan matatas kang magtagalog. Di ba?
Yes.
Talaga? May ganun ba?
Oo,
That's
kailangan.
true.
Oo, kahit
100%.
mga apam, kailangan magaling kang magtagalog.
okay.
Oo.
So what happened to me was when I was 15, I just attended a workshop. So regardless of what language I was using at the time, it was just for fun. I wanted to do something different for the summer. So eventually they realized, oh, he can actually act. Yes, I know I was so I said I was nervous with acting, but for some reason they found something in me that kind of clicked. They liked it. But during this time I was in high school and I was graduating, so we did not jump into the opportunity yet. So I think the word was nagpahinog muna.
Oh,
So,
yes.
And when I turned 18, doon na. For some reason, nagtagpo na naman yung paths namin ng showbiz. And this time, we jumped into the opportunity. They asked, oh, Pika, it's been a good while. How are you? You want to jump into showbiz now? This time, legal age plus I was already in college. So, sige, I think ito na yun. This is the best opportunity to do it. And to answer Patsy's question as well, I was originally going to be in the recording industry. I was going to be a singer.
Oh,
Yeah.
nasa
So,
ano nga
singer
yung
din
boses na
pala.
singer. Oo.
So that was the plan.
May sample ka?
Maybe another episode.
ibang example na kanina eh. Example na eh.
Kaya tanungin ko rin sana, did someone ever ask you to audition as a radio DJ or VJ sa mix, di ba? Kasi
Yeah.
yung voice niya eh.
Many times actually in the past. It just so happens that I felt I wasn't needed at the time. So in showbiz, there's also a saying that timing is everything.
Yes, that's
So
true.
sometimes you can be as good as you are, you can have all the talents in the world, but if it's not your time, it's not your time.
Yeah.
I feel that that's the reality. And ganun nga, so what happened there was, originally I was gonna sing, but they saw that I had other talents that I could have used at the time. So acting, nilagay ako sa acting, and dancing, of course.
Oh, dance. Ay, grabe.
Yeah.
Huwag kang magbibigay
Multi-talented
kasi
to.
sa kanya ng ano.
Yes,
Dance tayo.
I should hold back on the ideas.
Oh, yeah.
So the dancing, yun yung pinakamarami kong ginawa.
Dancing.
Yes. So I
Okay.
guested in noontime shows.
Okay.
So that was a lot. I could remember that. I did dance a lot at the time. Pero the singing never happened. For some reason, again, I felt that I wasn't needed in that field. So, naintindihan ko naman, after a few years, my contract ended and I just stopped entertainment altogether. Kasi wala naman talaga siya sa plan ko in the from the very start. I was not gonna stay in acting and or show business. I just ventured into it. I'm very grateful though. Don't get me
Sa
wrong.
experience.
Yes,
of
because it taught
course.
me a lot. It really did.
Ilang taon ka sa ganun?
18, I started at 18 all the way till I turned 23, so about 5 years.
Tagal
5
din.
years.
Matagal din.
May I
Yeah.
know anong
Tagal.
network or agency or talent? Pwede
allowed
ba? Oh, yeah,
Pwede yan, pwede
pwede.
Okay, well, this was in ABS-CBN at the time.
ABS. Or same kami, ABS.
Baka nakita na kayo dun.
Kaso
I probably didn't know it.
Oo.
But that was years ago. That was about 11 years ago, the last time I was there. 2013 or something.
Tagal na Kuya Pika. Tagal na.
Oo. Oh,
More, I think.
the
Yeah.
competition way back, sobrang hirap.
It's
Ang
much tougher.
dami
Thank
mong,
you.
Sobrang dami mong
Kalaban.
Kahit na may ABS, may GMA, may TV5, hindi. Sobrang daming artists.
It's crazy.
Sobrang dami. And for you to be able to experience na nakapag-guest ka, pinatry ka nila mag-dance.
Yeah.
Have you ever tried auditioning or pinagawa ka ba nila in some like reality shows?
Yes.
Talent search,
Reality shows
ganyan.
specifically.
Diba? Ganon eh.
Talaga?
BBB ba to?
That's one.
Oh.
That's
Talaga?
one.
Oh,
Yeah.
pag ano
Just the
kasi-
audition, by the way.
Ikaw
Just the
din ba?
audition.
Nag-try ako ng PBB.
BBB.
Hindi pa siya, hindi kasi, hindi mo malalaman na nag-audition ka sa PBB. Star Hunt pa nun. Nag-Star Hunt ka
Different
ba?
name. No, not anymore.
Not Star Hunt?
Yeah, not
Nag-Star
anymore.
Hunt na ka. Hindi, after nung 2013, 2017, nag-Star
It
Hunt.
kind of changed it.
Oo.
Yeah.
Interesting.
Hindi
ako
mo
na-
malalaman na PBB. Magugulat ka na lang na, yung in-edition mo pala is
Yeah.
PBB.
So I kind of feel na iba yung sinabi nyo yung medyo toxic na ba siya in a way for you? Kasi yung toxic medyo subjective siya eh. Pwede ko sabihin ito toxic to. So in a way for you, yung competition ba that time is for you
Toxic?
unhealthy na ganun?
I would say na it's kind of somewhat fair naman. They will
Okay.
give you a chance. Pero it's really up to you kung yun yung tatahakin mo. Na
It's a
path.
choice.
Oo,
Yeah.
na parang, okay, kakayanin kong lunukin ng lahat ng ito. Kasi yun yung gusto ko. Gusto ko talagang
mong
sumikat.
Yeah.
tahakin.
Oo.
And ngayon, you're in esports, so ano yung realization point?
The funny thing is, after I left the entertainment industry, I didn't go straight to esports yet. I pursued a bunch of different work, basically lines of work, like hotel. I did corporate as well because I wanted to learn more about life. So I did corporate jobs. I know, I never talked to you about this. I became a manager as well for a spa. So there's a hotel.
Ano bang spa to? Charot, ano bang
It's just
spa
a family-made
ito?
one, all right? It's just family-made.
Oh, kid-friendly spa.
Oh my goodness, man. Had a little bit of a heart stopper
Huwag
there.
mong
But
bibigyan talaga ng
no idea.
ideas.
No idea.
Oo.
Anyway, so there's that. And then I finally went to my collegiate passion, which was journalism. So writing. I became a writer by
storyteller ka talaga,
profession.
Ay, grabe.
Yeah.
Oh.
And I enjoyed that for a number of years. And then fast forward, esports happened. Like it boomed around 2000, I think 16 onwards. And then they were looking for commentators. So for my game, since I've been playing it a long time, they were saying that, oh, okay, you can try for commentary here. We could use you. And the rest is history. It just so happened that I was playing the game very rigidly. I never stopped playing it. I just mellowed down a little. And then eventually they realized, oh man, he has something for this field. So let's keep getting him. That leads all the way to
Saan,
today.
saan nangyari yun, Kuis? Yung nakita ka, tas
It's a convention. It's a convention.
ESGS? Mga
Yeah. Specifically that one.
ESGS.
So ano yun, nandun ka lang?
No. They advised me before that there's an event coming up. We're in
Punta ka.
need of commentators, yeah. So that's it.
Kala ko sabihin nila, punta ka sa event namin, mag-comment ka, mag-commentate ka.
Daldal ka,
mag-comment ka,
diba?
di ba?
Yeah.
Pwede rin
Mag-comment ka,
ganun
di
eh.
ba?
Pwede rin ganun.
They
Malami ka
realized din
sinasabi.
kasi that I was playing the game a long time. So my knowledge of the game was very extensive na.
Okay.
So they realized that, oh, he can speak. He's had history in hosting and everything else. So maybe he fits the bill. And that's where it started.
Doon na lahat dire-diretso na yun.
Everything, yeah.
Tekken. At ang napili mong laro, Tekken. Bakit ito yung napili mo? Ano
Okay,
meron
fun
sa
fact,
Tekken?
originally Tekken or fighting games was not my starting niche. I was a shooter.
Oh, FPS ka.
Yeah. I was an
Anong
FPS.
anong game mo?
Of course, the OG Counter-Strike when we started, right?
Counter-Strike.
But even before Counter-Strike, arcade talaga.
Okay.
So yung dihulog na 5 pesos, like tokens and all that. So that's when I started. Then eventually, the game became robotic to me. Masyado na siyang naging monotonous. And then I saw cabinet, may mga dinudumog ng tao. There was a machine. And I'm like, I wonder what that is. It's Tekken.
Oh, yun
So
na.
I gave it a shot. Right? And then I realized na sa game na to, pag talo ka,
Talo ka na.
that's it. It's accountability. That's why I like Tekken so much.
Ano, isang round lang, di ba?
Yeah, basically one match.
One match.
With 3
tatlong-
rounds each.
Oo.
Wala kasing sisihin sarili mo eh.
Yes.
Sarili. Ikaw lang mag-isa, tas sikat ka pa pag nasa arcade ka. Pag mga naglalaro ng arcade, mga RK yun, rich kid.
Rich kid ang
Oo.
depende sa arcade. Yung mga time zone, rich kid yun. Pero yung sa amin, mga gedli-gedli lang. Piso-piso
meron
lang.
ng Tekken din.
May
Oo.
gedli-gedli. Merong type ng arcade na gedli-gedli. Parang yung mga nasa time zone na kailangan mong laruin. Meron din yung may oras. 5 piso, 3
Nagda-dance
minutes.
Revo lang kasi ako sa time
Mas
zone.
rich kid ka. Oh.
That's a richer game.
Yeah.
right there.
Isang round lang naman.
So, ano ka rin, Kuya Pika? Arcade, tambay ka rin nun.
Yes, admittedly. Kasi, especially nung high school, because back then, hindi pa masyadong ma-PC. Right? The PCs were very limited.
Oo.
So, yung arcade talaga, not to mention mall. So, kapag may oras, punta sa mall and all that. And yeah, we just...
Tambay eh. No?
Grabe na. Yung mga, ngayon ko lang na-realize na yung mga
Wala na ata sa mga mall.
na
Arcade.
arcade, meron pa din.
Meron pa rin ba?
Pero yung Tekken, hindi na masyado.
Hindi na
honestly.
masyado.
Yeah.
Hindi kasi meron ng pera lahat eh. Bumili na sila ng PlayStation.
Oo, hindi.
Naka-PlayStation,
Yeah.
di ba?
Console, PC.
Oo.
yeah.
Pag pumupunta ako sa time zone, hindi ko na nakikita yung mga arcade. Nakikita ko na mga ticket games na.
Bowling. and
Puro
all that.
ticket games na, tsaka puro
Talaga.
banding na.
Yung bowling, yung mga hindi pinapansin yun dati.
ngayon
Diba?
yun na.
Ngayon yun na nilalaro
Yeah.
nila.
Pag walang
Kasi yun ang
magawa.
hindi mo malalaro sa cellphone mo at sa PC.
That's true.
Oo.
Kailangan,
Nalaro
pati
ko yung
mga
Deal or No
basketball.
Deal eh.
Meron din
May
doon?
May Deal or No
May
Deal doon.
pasabog
Wow.
pala.
Oo, tickets.
Hoy,
Man likes the thrill.
diba? Ito ha, si Pika acting na naging manager pa ng spa. Yun lang yung
Tama yun.
natandaan
Naging
ko.
player din.
Nag-corporate work na, naging player din. Pero ito, paano ka naman napunta sa coaching? Paano mo na-realize na aside from yourself, kaya mo ring mag-guide ng ibang players?
Well,
Do you want me to translate it in English?
No.
I don't want to.
can I look at the camera for like a small, for a bit?
Yes.
But yeah,
Coach Pika ang tawag dyan.
yeah.
Okay now, coach.
I can't. Anyways, so originally it really started with my brother. Because my brother and I, that's our bonding. You know, Tekken is our bonding. And then since we both got into the professional scene, he was the first. He was really my first successful student per se.
Oh, so akala ko sasabihin ni Pika. Sorry, akala ko kasi sasabihin mo. And I think he wasn't good enough. That's why I wanted to teach
Coach him.
and coach him.
It's more, yeah. I didn't say that, Jules, already. but yeah, it's more on, I realized that if we put time and focus on what we really like, you can make great things out of it. So, and that's our only bonding because originally, baliktad naman. Ako, I'm not much of an athlete. He was. Right? I'm more of an artsy, yeah, I'm an artsy type of guy, right? Pero nagkasundo kami sa Tekken. So eventually, I realized, man, he has game talent. Let's amplify that some more.
Game talent.
Right?
Game sense.
Well, that's true. Yeah, he has a lot of those, right? So any game he played, he was really succeeding in it. And then when I brought him to Tekken, okay, he's doing really good. We just gotta push
Okay.
even further. So there's that. And then may mga ibang tao that they became curious. Coach, is it okay? Or like, hindi pa nga coach nun. Like, Pika,
Pika.
is it okay to ask for your input like this and that? Can you give me a few pointers like this? And then they also gradually improved. Syempre, it's a chain reaction and basically a domino effect. And it just spread word of mouth. Yun na. And all the way up until it became a profession to me.
Oo nga eh. Paano mo na-realize na pwede mo na siyang gawing profession? From passion to profession lang yun eh. Oo.
Baka yun yung marami na nagtatanong ng advice niya.
Yes, that was
Yes.
Na bad trip ka na? Bayaran niyo na ako.
Oo, na parang,
Oo, no?
anong kala nyo dito? Libre-libre na lang, ganun-ganun na lang tayo.
Well, to me, it was not so much of. It was really not so much of the monetary rewards that I get out of it, but the fulfillment I get when I see them succeed.
Oh.
It's really what makes me happy. Kasi ibig sabihin nun, that the knowledge that you studied, when you give it to somebody, nagbubunga din. So it's being in a manner, it's helping the community get better.
yes.
Interesting.
Nag-work, no?
Oo.
Yeah.
Sa atin kasi pera-pera tayo.
Wala,
Mga
pera-pera.
tayo-
Well,
Hindi.
Gusto mo ng help ko?
well, don't get me wrong. The money comes with it.
I get it. Kasi,
Yeah.
Patsy, si Pika ngayon, may Tekken workshop siya. Workshop.
Totoo?
Ayun ba tawag?
Basically,
ano ba tawag?
it's class. You know, it's
Tekken class.
Yeah,
Oo,
basically.
may online ka ba niyan? Oo, gusto na mag-online.
Yeah, for real. Yeah, like most of my classes are online. Most of my sessions are online. We only go offline if the player is more comfortable with face-to-face classes.
Face-to-face.
But mostly they're online because some of them they have school, they have work, and all that.
Nakakatuwa.
Yeah.
Oo.
And it's every day. That's what I did not expect, to be honest with you guys. I expected it to be like maybe
Once
on the
a week?
side, yeah. Maybe even less than once a week. But now people are committed to long-term coaching because they want to keep learning more.
Dang.
Grabe,
Kailan nag-start
no?
to? Yung...
The professional
Sessions,
coaching 2022.
Ang tagal na, Kuys.
Yeah.
At lalo siyang lumalaki.
Oo.
Yes.
Do you have assistants now? May mga assistants ka na nag-help sa'yo or dahil online, you do it by yourself?
I can do it by myself, yes. But there are, I have students who also aid in helping others, especially when I'm unavailable or like when I need more manpower. Kasi minsan sa isang class, hindi lang isa yung student.
Kaya nga eh, di
Yeah.
ba?
Ilang oras ang isang session?
An hour and a half.
Gana
An
na.
hour and a half.
Yeah.
So ilang classes ang ginagawa mo sa isang araw?
On average, about 2 to 3 students.
Matagal.
Oo.
Yeah, so about 6 hours.
Oh.
Yeah. If I'm more booked, it goes as much as 7 students in a day.
And tapos different levels yan sila eh, di ba? Ako kasi advance ako eh.
Talaga?
Hey, let's go.
Talaga?
That's what we want.
Iniisip ko lang like, kasi di ba iba-ibang level yan. Like beginner,
Oo nga
ganyan.
Medyo proud ako dito, Kuya Pika, na nawi-witness ko to na nangyari. Nangyari sa'yo. Kasi I met you as a talent. Pero ngayon, ano na eh, more Coach Pika na lagi. Recently ba, meron kang mga... Tekken right now, hindi siya, masasabi natin, niche market siya. Pero ano ba yan? May mga bagong players ka ba na naku-coach?
Yeah.
Dumadagsa pa rin ba?
Yes, actually, it invites more new players now. Granted that, yeah, because Tekken 8 is very fresh, right? It's only 2 years old. So that title on itself is more engaging. Kasi maraming curious eh. Why is the game good? Or why is the game so popular right now? So tumatalon sila. Especially the players who have never played a Tekken game before. Now, the funny thing is, it's not just that. Even yung mga OG, yung mga players na medyo natigil sa ibang Tekken, they're seeing that, oh, the game's popular now. Why don't we try it again? So it's a mix of generations.
Interesting. Meron ka bang technique ng pagko-coach? Paano mo na-realize na kaya ko maging coach?
Okay.
May ganun ba?
Yeah, because babalik ako sa ibang trabaho before, the managerial.
Yes.
So understanding how a person operates or how they accept information, that really helps a lot. Right.
Interesting.
Especially since, in my opinion, and basically what I do now is I never teach two people the same way. So what I will teach you will never be how I'll teach him.
Advance yung sa'yo eh.
Oo.
It's advanced.
Pro yung
Advance
akin.
ako eh.
Oo.
Hindi, ang question ko naman sa kanya is, ano yung pinaka number one or same thing na nagiging problema ng mga students mo? Kasi kunyari ako I played Tekken before. Like way back, mga 2004, 2003.
Wow, Tekken
Yung mga Tekken
2.
2. Tekken 2 pa nga yan. Tapos syempre, akala mo, pag mabilis kang magpipindot, yung mawawasak mo na yung, di ba?
Wala pa si Eddie ata.
Nandun na si Eddie eh.
Tekken 2, Tekken 3 si
Tekken 2,
Eddie.
2004 was already Tekken 5.
5.
Ay, talaga ba?
So-
Mali-mali tayo.
Maybe mga 2003 yan. Alam mo yun, parang akala mo pag sinisira mo na yung mga
Button mash ka lang,
Oo, magaling ka na. So, ngayon ba, may mga ganun pa ring players na may mga students ka na ganun or advanced na talaga yung mga students mo?
since we're on the topic of common mistakes, right? I feel that the most usual, I'd say, trait that players are wrong at is impatience, because they want to rush the process.
Advance ka kasi.
Impatient ako eh.
Oo eh.
Honestly, yeah, because kahit saang level yan, to be honest, not just the beginners,
Interesting.
even the more professional players.
Grabe. Hindi ko mawari is yung may nagpapaturo na paano mag-Tekken. And I
Kahit
think,
na magaling na sila.
oo, di ba? Parang ibig sabihin, nag-evolve na talaga yung buhay at technology.
At to think about it ha, coach, kasi tingnan mo, sa Tekken kasi makikita mo naman yung mga combos eh.
Yeah.
Nandun naman. Kakabisaduhin mo lang. Pero ipapaturo pa rin nila. So ibig sabihin may technique pa
May
rin
technique
doon.
na, may technique na.
Kailangan mo pa rin maghintay. Pag
Galing.
sumipa siya, tsaka kakukombo.
Ako papaturo ako Paul
Yes.
Phoenix ako.
There we go.
All-rounder talaga si Kuya Pika, si Kuya Danel. Alamin naman natin kung ano ang mindset niya as a gamer and as a commentator. Tama ba, Patsy?
Yes! Kaya naman, pasok na tayo sa round 2. Pika, it's time to lock in.
Papapam! Sariling audio kami dito, Pika. Sorry yan.
Alright.
Sariling OST kami
Tunog
dito.
tao.
Tunog tao.
I love it.
Dito naman.
Parang pautot yun.
Oo, yun nga
sa'yo.
eh. Wala, trinay ko yung best ko eh.
I tried.
Pag-uusapan natin ang mga preparations mo bago ka sumabak sa game.
At bilang coach, ano ang mindset mo kapag naghahanda ng player for
Yan.
tournament?
Iba-
Ano yung...
Oo.
Ano yun?
Iba kasi yung coach ka lang na yung
Oo.
sessions niya. Iba pa yung kapag may tour na.
Gusto
Yes.
naming malaman kung may rituals ka ba for your players. Like, ito wag kang iinom ng kape pag may laro tayo.
Anong
Kasi
mindset
baka
mo
uminit
doon?
ka agad yung ulo
You know
mo.
what? She's pretty close. Yung mga ganun eh.
Talaga?
Yeah.
Advance ka talaga.
Hindi, kasi yung Tekken kasi, ano nga tawag natin sa mga games ng Tekken, like
Fighting game.
fighting games.
Yeah.
Mataas yung adrenaline doon. Siyempre,
Parang
pag
suntukan
nagkape
kasi,
ka pa,
oo.
di ba, sobrang high blood mo na, gaya kay AK, naninira ng,
Oo, nanira si AK noon.
Diba?
Champion
She
siya.
did that.
Oo.
di ba?
Pero kamusta yun? Anong difference? Kuya?
The personal ritual that I have that I share with my players is you never play the day before a tournament.
Oh.
You never sweat the day before a tournament because you want your body to reset for all the hard work you did. It's the same principle as, like, say, for example, you don't party a night before a fight. Right? At least to some people. I'm not saying it's for everybody. Pero sometimes your body looks for the adrenaline rush. It looks for basically the excitement to play the game if you stop for a little bit. Kasi pag tinuloy-tuloy mo yan, there's a natural sense of burnout that happens. Right. So it seems to work for a lot of my students. Yung iba naman, hindi ko pinapalaro, pero pinapa-review ko.
Okay.
What I make them do is, okay, you don't play. Just look back at VODs, look back at videos, para lang you don't lose touch of what you need to do.
Interesting.
Right? Kasi mapapagod ka nun the night before.
Meron ka ba kina-coach ngayon ng pang-tournament, Kuya Pika? Sinong specifically?
Almost everyone, actually. Sa students, yeah.
Oo. Meaning
Yeah.
may naglalaban ka na both students mo? May ganun?
Oh, that's the most heartbreaking part of my job, actually.
Dang.
Kasi magkakasalubong talaga sila regardless. When I go to an event, even if I'm just to watch, minsan makikita ko yun. I don't know who to
Magkalaban
coach. Or yeah, they're
Oo nga,
facing each
conflict of
other.
interest din. Mababad trip sa'yo yung isang player. Coach, ako yung coach mo.
Oo, pero dapat proud ka. Students
Always.
mo yan.
Oo nga eh.
Always. No matter what success.
Paano mo nababalanse yung pagiging supportive coach or parang ikaw ba yung type na straightforward coach na bad cop, good cop? Anong klaseng coach ka ba?
Okay. I believe in the saying that different folks, different strokes. So, depende dun sa tao how they absorb the information or kung ano yung gumagana sa kanila. Like right now, shout outs to one of my students. He's a 13-year-old player from Cebu. So,
Bata.
yes.
From Cebu, biruin
Yeah.
mo.
So, siya yung bar ko when it comes to balance. Hindi pwedeng sobrang higpit ko sa kanya. Hindi din pwedeng super loose, right? Because if I do one too much of over the other, then the formula gets disrupted. So para sa akin, I observe first. I have to observe what works for them. Do they like the tough love type or do they like it when you hold their hand? Right? Not to mention, it varies yung sa edad nila. Like I said, this is the 13-year-old. What about the mature players? What about those that are like above 20? Diba? You have to give them a bit of slice of reality na, oh, you don't have time to play. you better make use of what time we have para sulit. Naintindihan natin, right?
Ang galing naman.
Ang galing ni Coach, no?
Oo, diba?
Ngayon lang ako
Abas,
nakarinig
napakoach ka na niyan.
Kaya nga magpapakoach ako. In life.
In life.
Hindi kasi 'di ba, ngayon ko lang narinig na kada ibang players ang kausap niya or tinuturuan niya, iba rin yung style ng coaching.
Pwede matanong sino pinakamatanda mong
Student?
player? Student.
Ilang taon?
Yeah, that's a good one. I think I've had a student who's pushing 50.
Gusto pa rin.
Gusto pa rin nilang
laro pa rin.
Oo.
Naglalaro pa. Former na siya. Former student ko na siya. Right now, syempre life priorities. But the eldest that I have had was pushing 50 na.
Man.
Oh, I have one who's, I think, within the 50 already. I don't know if I can mention his name. Pero he's a very popular musician.
Damn.
Hobby na lang. Kasi syempre,
Ano yung hobby na lang?
Both. Gusto niya rin mag-compete.
mag-compete.
Gusto niya rin mag-compete. And I have one who's also a comedian a little older than me. So, stand-up comedian siya. Ganun din. Sweaty. Yun talaga. Aminado siya. I really want to compete.
Gusto
Ano,
niya talaga.
Gusto niya talaga.
Damn.
Parang gusto ni mag-compete ni
Ako
Kuya.
rin, parang gusto
Oo,
ko rin,
parang gusto niya.
Gusto
Parang
ko rin
gusto
eh.
ni Kuya dyan
Sarap
sa likod.
mag-compete eh.
Diba?
May-
The
Ako,
thrill is insane,
Oo,
honestly.
insane eh.
nakakatuwa.
Nag-compete ka eh.
Wala na akong masabi, alam mo. Like, gusto ko na lang din magpa-coach.
Pa-coach ka na nga, magpa-sessions ka na, mamaya bibigyan ka ng
Wait,
brochure.
titignan ko kung anong oras yung open. Tignan natin yan,
I have my
ha?
files with me.
Sa
Lagi
mga
mo dala.
magtatanong, viewers
I just
and
send it, dude.
listeners,
I just
ha?
send it, yeah.
Ilalagay po namin dyan kung ano yung i-contact yung number ni Coach at ano yung mga days and hours na free siya.
Plus, you balance the coaching with street talent work. Do you still do talent work? Well, eto, talent work. Ayan.
Yeah, actually, since full-time ko ngayon yung coaching, right? I have to work around, say, commentary, hosting, also, yeah, podcast guestings and all that. Syempre, I have to work around my calendar. It's pretty difficult. I'm not gonna lie. I talked to you about this also. Pero kung hanggat gising ako, until I fall asleep, I'll try to fit it in with my schedule. I do my best.
Ay, ito. Dahil, sorry, pinag-uusapan natin about Tekken game, di ba? Live and everything. Tekken, are you taken?
Yes.
Yes! May kids na.
No.
Wala pa. Di ba yung mga, are you
Dami sa'yo,
taken?
ba't mo bibigyan ng idea?
No ideas.
Ganda ng nagpan ka pa. First
Hindi
time mo
na
nagpan.
ano ko yun, naalala ko na kanina. Say ko, ipasok ko kaya to.
Yeah.
Tapos
You take it.
nagkaroon ng chance.
Interesting to, Kuya Pika, na nababalance mo yung saan ka pinaka mas na-pressure sa pagiging, dadamihan ko to, sa pagiging player, sa pagiging coach, or sa pagiging talent? Kasi ang dami mo rin
Yeah.
ganap eh.
Or sa iyong personal.
Oo.
Saan ka mas
Hindi
nape-pressure?
pressure yung word na hinanap ko, or anong pinakamahirap?
Oh, challenging, I bet. Yeah.
Challenging.
I feel it's still life. It's still life. Because even if you take out every profession that you have, life will just keep throwing things at you.
Okay.
I feel that that's still always going to be the biggest challenge, right?
Life
And-
in terms of survivability, monetary.
Survival, family, right? Everything. Because the professions you can work, I feel. The professions you can work your way to being a better talent, being a better commentator. Your job will improve regardless. As long as you work hard.
And may formula. Pagka yung profession natin, di ba? Meron kang kailangan lang sundin, alisin, but in life,
Oo, minsan sa
you'll
dulo.
never
sa dulo,
know what's gonna happen next. Ay,
It's so abstract, honestly.
Oo nga eh.
Yeah.
Ito, si Patsy, dati
Bakit?
showbiz. Ngayon gusto na maging Tekken. Gusto na...
Kala ko ba dahil magpa-Valorant pa ako? Ikaw
Oo, nga
pala
eh.
decision talaga to eh.
Oo,
Siya na
eh.
yung nagde-decision. So actually lahat ng games gusto kong maging magaling.
Matry eh.
Pero hindi maganda nga kasi maging jack of all trades.
Pero kasi pansin ko
Gusto
sa'yo,
isa lang, may
pansin ko
magaling
sa'yo,
ako.
ikaw yung type na pag naging interested ka, tatry mo
Ginugugol
talaga
ko
eh.
talaga yung
O kagaya yung
course
ilaw ko kanina, pinahiram ko sa'yo eh.
Gusto
Did you get it
umorder
back?
umorder. Ay,
Interested siya.
binalik ko naman.
Okay,
Hindi ko
okay.
nilagay sa bag ko.
Binalik niya. Iba, yung mga nagiging guest natin dito are maraming mga nagiging profession at isa doon si Kuya Pika. Babalik tayo sa Tekken. Nakikita natin na parami ng mga Pilipino na naglalaro ng Tekken at gusto mag-compete internationally. Kumusta ba ang level ng PH Tekken, Kuya Pika?
Okay, I've been asked this question quite a bit, to be honest. Kasi they're so curious. Why is it that we know AK, all right? We know Dojin, we know Jules, we know RG, and so on and so forth. The list goes on. But the general idea of how Philippine Tekken is that we're up there, right? We're just, to be honest, we need more resources. We need more support. we need more eyes rather. We need more eyes on us. Kasi nga since, as you said a while ago, Tekken is very niche, or at least it just emerged compared to the other esports, at least in our country. So, mataas tayo. I think globally, we're probably within the top 10. Even 5.
Oh, talaga?
Yeah. In the whole world.
Ang kilala lang na Pinoy is Dojin AK. Like
Yeah.
sikat na Pinoy. Ganun.
Right? Or yung mga usual na lumilipad ba? The ones who fly outside the country. Yeah. Especially AK, we know this. So,
But to be honest, hindi naman kailangan mag-compete internationally. Kasi may social media na. Diba?
Ma-stream,
Oo,
ganun,
stream or even yung ginagawa ni coach.
Pero pag player ka kasi, yung
Iba
player,
pa rin
gusto
eh.
nila, ako
Oo.
pinakamagaling. May
Tama.
player na pera-pera lang, may player din na hindi. Ako pa rin
Ano
pinakamagaling.
talaga, passion talaga.
Oo.
Pero ito, coach, curious kami, no? So, may chance ba na mag-comeback ka? Kasi syempre, pag nagko-coach ka,
Oo
ang
nga.
dami mo ring
May kate ba?
natututunan every day.
May ano ba?
Oo, babalik
May itch
ka ba sa pro scene?
I feel na if the stakes are if the stakes are dire or like really high, sure, definitely I would want to. Pero I'd want to do that with my brother always.
Ikaw ang magko-coach dun sa brother mo.
and or play because we've done that already. Ginawa na namin yun before.
Pag
na,
naglabang kayo ng brother mo, kunyari nag-finals kayo, anong mangyayari? Pa mananalo ka, mananalo
I don't
siya.
know. Pero
hindi yung yung talagang nararamdaman mo. Hindi kami nagtitake ng, hindi natin sure. Hindi.
Malambot
It's
siya sa
either
kapatid
you win
niya eh.
or
Very,
you lose.
Malambot
Ay,
siya sa
malambot
kapatid
ka.
niya. eh.
pero, if-
Kunyari finals kayo.
Finals kayo, no? Si Manjin, kunyari yung kapatid mo.
Oh,
Ayun
this,
lang.
this always breaks my heart, honestly. Kasi,
Talaga?
yeah,
Mahirap.
pero yung sa akin, I feel that if the stakes are enough, I'll give it my all, regardless naman sa mangyari. Right now, I'm not gonna lie, he's way better in competition than I am. He's
Sino
really
ba ang
good.
kanyang player sa Tekken?
Character.
Character niya. Sino
He's
character niya?
most successful with Jin.
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 siya. Ikaw?
Armor King. Yeah,
Ay,
for me.
talaga?
Yeah.
Oh.
Mukha kang ano eh.
Raven.
Kilala mo ba may kamukha siyang character eh.
It's always
Sino?
Brian.
Si Brian.
always Brian.
Si Brian. Get up niya,
Oo,
Brian
si
din eh.
Brian.
Oo.
Ikaw para kang si Yoshimitsu.
Hindi, Gon na lang ako si Gon.
Yoshimitsu.
A guest character pa nga.
Si Gon. Nabutan mo ba si Gon?
Oo, I think
Second
so.
three.
Hindi mo naabutan yun.
Nabutan ko yun. Actually, yung mga 6, 7 na yung hindi ko nakilala talaga yung mga...
Nabutan ko nag-long hair si Paul eh. Paul Phoenix.
Second 4.
Oh, Tapos sa mga Pinoy, tawag nila kay Paul, Bowa. Yung Bowa. Anyways.
Di ba?
Yun na yun. Kuya Pika, hopefully makita rin kita mag-compete kasi personally, as your friend, di pa kita nakikita mag-compete. Nakita kita mag-coach. Pero yung compete as a player, gusto ko rin makita. Yung version mo na yun. Pero tayo ay magko-compete dahil dito sa round number 3, medyo competitive kami ni Patsy dito, Pika. Ito na ang...
Pick up! And yes, mga ka-one-hitter,
Nako.
ang dami nating natutunan kay Coach Pika.
May init na naman yung ulo ko. Ito na naman yung segment na hindi ako nananalo.
Yung mga chill lang tayo dito. So, Coach, dito, si Manji
Yes.
mag-explain sa iyo to mamaya, pero kailangan lang nating sagutin. Sasagutin ba siya or siya na lang
Tayo na,
insights?
tayong tatlo.
tayong tatlo.
Babawi
Sige.
ako.
Kung ito ay magiging epic
Oo.
fail or epic play.
So coach, bago ka sumagot, ipi-play muna natin yung clip. Pagka-play natin, ipopause, tapos may perspective tayong susundan. Susundan natin si AK. Kasi currently, nakikita natin ay ang Red Bull Golden Letters. Laban to ni AK at ni Ulsan.
Ulsan.
Taga saan to si Ulsan?
Korea.
Korean.
Korea.
So parehas silang pulado ha. Medyo 1/3 na yung
Ayaw nga na Ulsan.
buhay.
Kasi diba, train to Busan.
Nice try. Insightful ka talaga, Patsy!
You know, she's not wrong. That's a place in Korea. So.
Tama din.
Tama din. Advance.
Tama din. Okay, advance. So ngayon, we're looking at AK. Naka-pause pa yung clip. 33 seconds in. Pababa na yan. Let's play the clip.
Others is set, I feel like. I don't know why. Oh, there we go. You called it. We're going to see one more. Go slow.
Okay. So nag-pause siya. Napulado yung Dragunov. Si Shaheen medyo mas maraming buhay. Epic play or epic fail? Tayo una kasi alam niya to eh. Ano ako? Epic play ako. Epic play ako. Confident ako sa Shaheen ni AK eh.
Dapat di tayo magkaparehas, no?
Abala ka.
Wala, gusto ko lang
Oh,
kitang
sige.
kontrahin.
Oh, sige. Oh,
Epic
sige.
fail ako.
O sige.
Sige. Sige. Hindi kasi si Shaheen, si AK, di ba?
Shaheen.
Aangat pa lang siya parang kukumbuhin na naman siya. Hindi ko
Pero
alam
pulado na yung Ulsan eh. O sige.
Hindi mo masasabi. Pagka kasi tuloy-tuloy
Ikaw, Kuya
Bugs, bugs, bugs.
Pika, what's the answer ba dyan?
Hindi, ma'am, hindi na lang siya answer. Kasi alam niya, di ba sabi mo, alam mo ba? Alam mo mangyayari
Yes.
here.
Sige
alam
na,
niya
sabihin mo na.
Ayoko, play muna!
Sige. I don't think I'll answer, but I'll give a scenario that might favor an answer. Kasi you have faith in AK, right? Ako, I have faith in science. Sa
Okay.
science ng game.
Sige.
So for me, epic play ako.
Epic
Epic
play.
play.
Okay. Play natin yung clip. Uy! Ay! Uy, galing!
Sorry, Manjin.
Tama na naman si Patsy.
Kasi nga, nakakombo na siya.
Epic play. Alam mo talaga yun?
Ayoko
Hindi kasi naglaro nga ako ng Tekken recently.
Nakamba?
Oo, na parang pagka nakatira ka, tas kahit sobrang liit na ng buhay mo,
Pwede pa.
magkakaroon ka ng malaking chance kasi tuloy-tuloy na yun.
Paano yung nakamba, Kuya Pika? Paano
Okay.
na nangyari?
Numerically, dapat kasi panalo si AK doon. Pero Ulsan had to pull off something that AK may not be expecting. Kasi technically, if AK went for a different offense, there may be a slide. Pwede siya manalo doon eh. And he will not lose that round yet. Kung
Siya
magkaganon yun.
naka-defend, no?
No, rather, si Ulsan, he went for one last desperate attempt to at least close that round. And yun na nga yung nangyari.
Okay.
Maliit na yung buhay niya eh. That played a part. Kasi in Tekken, the smaller your life is, it's harder to come back. Pero if you land a good hit,
Mas
mas
malaking
mananalo ka.
chance.
Yes.
Mas malaki yung damage, di ba?
Yes, because of rage, right? So,
Okay.
medyo big brain play si Ulsan doon. Again, it was unpredictable.
Okay. So, 1-0 na naman. Okay. Sige, next game
Naku,
tayo.
ito recent lang to.
Ito bago-bago lang. Bago-bago
Yeah,
lang.
yeah,
So, ito si
RGN.
RGN. Pinoy si RGN.
Yes.
Si RGN
versus
Nobi.
Nobi from
Nobi.
Japan.
Japan
Japan.
si Nobi. Brian ang gamit ni RGN. Si
Si
Lars.
Lars.
Parang di ko
Si
na
Lars,
kilala
hindi
si
ko
Lars.
kilala.
Si
Second
Brian.
sex,
Si
yeah,
Brian,
Brian.
no.
yeah.
Kilala ko pa. Okay, so perspective tayo ni RGN. Ang daming pambuhay ni ni Nobi. Okay, game?
Game.
Play mo na.
All right, charging it up. This could be his opportunity.
Uy.
He needs to make this count. Gets the
May
floor
bounce.
explosion. Again, Brian is peak at the wall. He wants that taunt.
Ang hirap naman i-judge nito. Epic. Ano ka?
Epic play ako.
Ako rin.
Epic play.
Para tumama man lang ako. Tumatama ka lagi.
Hindi, bakit epic play naisip mo?
Kasi nakatingin siya sa baba. Alam na. Nakatingin
Nakatingin siya sa baba.
Hindi, automatic ata yung character titingin sa baba.
Sino si Brian dyan?
Ito, nasa,
si Brian.
nasa left ng
Nasa
screen.
left? Akala ko ito si Brian.
No, this is Lars over
Lars.
here. Yeah.
Left
I
yung,
would say-
left natin si Lars.
Yes.
Oo. Tama.
Pero tumama si Lars. I think mag-epic fail ako.
Feeling ko play ako. Epic play ako. Kasi feeling ko masishield. Magmi-middle
Masishield
shot
siya?
yan, may middle shot.
Pero tumama na kay... Tingnan mo may ilaw. Pag shield kasi, parang may shield na gano'n.
Oo. So, tama
Epic
na
fail
ba?
ako. Epic fail ako.
Sige, play ako. Bala
Sige.
na, si Kuya
Tingnan
Pika
natin.
explain na lang.
Explain
Pero alam mo
na lang.
nangyari
I'll just
dyan.
explain it. Yeah,
Oh,
yeah,
sige,
yeah. I'll just
sige.
explain it
Explain na
later.
natin.
Because I don't want to be
Okay,
biased on this one at
Oh,
all.
sige.
Okay, play.
He tried to do one before.
Uy.
Back reversal. Should be able to take this one.
Yes!
Very nice. Gets the rage art. Gives him a little bit of
Yeah.
downtime. This is
I
strategic.
saw this
feel.
myself,
He wanted,
so-
he wanted to keep a safe
Uy, ang galing
ground
naman ng
closer
ulti nun.
and give himself, 10-15 seconds just to chill extra.
Ay,
Okay.
Think about it.
nakamba.
Yeah.
Pero
Yay!
upos na yun, no?
Yeah.
At least.
So Manjin really got this one.
Yes!
All right.
Finally, nakaisa din.
Tabla tayo.
Tabla.
Oo.
tabla.
Pero paano nangyari yun?
Okay. Because I was gonna say that Patsy made a fair point in a manner. Kasi nangyari dun is there's an armor in Tekken, right? There are armors in Tekken. Si Brian, naka-activate na yung armor niya nung bumanat si Lars. So tatanggapin ni Brian yung attack in exchange of that armor. So basically parang a shield. It's not a shield per se, but Brian could take that hit for a bigger reward.
Oh, okay.
Galing.
So sabi niya parang may ilaw eh. Sabi ni Patsy kanina, parang may
Oo nga.
ilaw, parang tinamaan siya eh.
So, tinamaan talaga.
Yes.
Tinamaan.
Pero he armored through that attack.
Oh,
Brian
okay.
armored through that attack.
Oh, 'di ba? 'Di ba? 1-1 ang ating score. sa Pick M's, nakabawi
Yes,
din.
I love it. Ay, parang magte-taken player na.
Na naman, nung nakaraan gusto mo
Nalaman lang yun sa mga
mag-Valorant.
ilaw. Nalaman yung sa mga
Sabay niyang
ilaw.
lalaroin niya.
Anyways, maraming salamat sa pag-explain sa amin, Kuya Pika, ng mga analysis dito sa game na to. At yan po ang Pick'ems!
New to sports predictions? Don't worry. Arena Social is made just for you. Totally free to play and super easy to use. First, register your account. Quick and simple. Get 3 tickets every day and choose your matches to predict. Win predictions and rank up leaderboard challenges. And convert your points into real prizes. The fun awaits you.
Okay! Ang dami ko natutunan sa Tekken. Grabe, suntukan lang sa computer pero ang daming pag-usapan. Maraming salamat, Kuya Pika, sa pagbisita mo dito at sa sulit na kwentuhan natin today.
Yes, and pero bago tayo matapos ha, may huli pa kaming challenge for you,
Yun!
Coach. Final round natin ito. Predict the play sa mga active Pinoy Tekken players ngayon. Sino ang pinakagusto mong pinapanood at bakit? Aside from yourself and your brother. Diba?
Or
Oo.
looking forward na
Oo.
magiging champion.
Specifically, yeah, for the Philippines, syempre AK pa din. I want to see how he does on the international stage. Dojin also is up there. I can't name one Pero AK, Dojin, and a bunch of other talents pa. Those two obviously top of my
Okay.
head. Kasi they really put our country on the map.
Oh.
Sa totoo lang. So I personally want to see them again. Plus whoever you are that are uprising talents, marami-rami yan. I'm pretty sure that time will come.
Dapat may kasunod pa yun. At sa mga gusto pang ma-enhance ang kanilang
Ma-enhance ang kanilang skill.
please contact me. Details are below.
Yes, I know, may promo.
You know where to find me.
May promo,
Yes!
may promo package.
Oo.
It runs down there. So
sa lahat ng one-hitters dyan, siguraduhin nyo nakapalo kayo sa Arena Social PH at sa One Hit na lang, mag-subscribe kayo dyan para updated kayo sa mga next episodes natin, fresh drops at sa mga updates dito sa mundo ng esports.
Yes, available din yan sa Spotify and YouTube.
Yep.
At huwag din kalimutang i-download ang Arena Social app. And sinabi mo yun eh.
Oh.
Sinabi ko na lang ulit. At ikaw,
Sabihin
Coach,
mo lang.
saan ka ba nila makikita? Kasi abangers ng ating mga listeners and viewers.
all right, so first and foremost, thank you very much for having me here. It's really such a pleasure. Now, just look for Pika Lozano. That's Pika, PICA_Lozano on all my socials. So, madaling-madali lang hanapin. Promise, walang kapangalan yan. So, you guys know where to find me. And, let's get learning.
Yes. Maraming salamat sa suporta ninyo, mga ka-one-hitters. Tandaan nyo na hindi lang panalo ang mahalaga, kundi paano ka rin bumabangon at nagde-level up every round.
Yun na nga, this is it. Ito na yon. Ito ang One Hit na lang!
Kita gets next episode.
Papang! Papang!